Welcome to 8 Quanta Library content. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to load a trial balance in NetSuite. Navigate to Reports, Financial Trial Balance. The native trial balance report will display the accounts along with their corresponding debit and credit amounts. You can adjust the reporting period by modifying the As of field to suit your needs. After changing the period, simply click the Refresh button to reload the report. You can also adjust the subsidiary filter to tailor the report to a specific entity. If you prefer to display the amounts as totals rather than separate debit and credit columns, simply select the Totals option instead of Debit Credit, then click Refresh to update the report. You can also customize the report to include additional fields as needed. For this example, we'll add the transaction type field to view the amounts categorized by transaction type. Add a title for your custom trial balance report, then either click Save to keep it for future use or Preview to view the report immediately. You can now see the accounts grouped by transaction type, along with their corresponding amounts, providing clearer insights into the nature of each entry. Make sure that everything is correct and accurate. You can further customize the report to align with your specific requirements or your business needs. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching.